Welcome to Airlie Gardens. Beyond these gates, you'll find 67 acres of well-maintained historical and cultural gardens. You'll also find our largest tree, which is a live oak, known as our Airlie oak. This tree is over 450 years old. It has seen many storms, many weddings, concerts, and of course our enchanted Airlie lights display. It's also had thousands of children picnic underneath these trees after their school field trips. New Hanover County purchased this property in 1999 in conjunction with the Clean Water Management Trust Fund grant. Its goal was to help improve the water quality of Bradley Creek. Keeping a green space allows a buffer against our wetlands and helps improve their overall health. In the very center of these 67 acres, you'll also find a freshwater lake and some of the original structures that were here when Sarah Jones first owned this property. The Jones family owned the property first, then the Corbett family, and then New Hanover County. This path takes you down to the pergola steps and is draped in Confederate jasmine. It smells wonderful this time of year. It's also a big fan for our bees, as you'll find them humming around collecting pollen and nectar. Another very well-known feature of Airlie Gardens is what's known as our bottle chapel. This was made by a compilation of 7 different artists in honor of Minnie Evans, who used to work here as the gatekeeper at the front gate. She collected the funds and tickets for people coming into the gardens. She worked for both the Jones and the Corbett family. When she was 41, she found that God spoke to her in her dreams and told her to draw or die. And it's then that she became one of Wilmington's most well-known artists, and one of the first African-American folk artists. Minnie was known to use the gardens as part of her inspiration as well as her dreams, but all of her art used very vivid colors and imagery, and that is showcased here in our bottle chapel, which was made by Virginia Ray Frierson and a very large group of volunteers who helped collect thousands of bottles. Not only do you find beautiful gardens and flowers, but you'll also find art throughout the garden as well. This is an example of one of our public art exhibits from last year called Heart of the Gardens. This year we will be hosting 4-foot squirrels that 10 individual artists will be painting that will be speckled about the gardens. Don't forget to take a walk through our pollinator garden. This space is planted with a very specific purpose to be blooming throughout the season. If you're lucky enough, you may find bees, butterflies, caterpillars, or maybe even a chrysalis. These animals are helping to pollinate our plants and helping new flowers grow and fruits and seeds. They're responsible for every 1 out of 3 bites of food that we eat.
Not only is Airlie Gardens a great habitat for pollinators, but if you look closely at your surroundings while you're here, you might notice other invertebrates, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. You might even be interested in joining us for one of our monthly bird hikes. We look forward to seeing you here at Airlie soon.
We are lucky enough to have a very active group of over 150 volunteers that help us maintain the gardens, run our gift shop, and drive our trams. They also help to educate visitors throughout the gardens, whether they're at the bottle chapel or in our butterfly house. If you're interested in joining our Airlie Gardens volunteer crew, visit our website and click under the Get Involved tab to volunteer and fill out an application today. We'd love to have you join us. You can visit the gardens Monday through Sunday. The cost is $5 for New Hanover County residents, or you can become a member, and admission is included within your membership, as well as other benefits. You can find out more about our membership benefits and how becoming a member helps Airlie Gardens if you visit our website at airliegardens.org. We hope to see you soon.